Welcome to the future of video creation with ChatGPT and Invideo. In just 60 seconds, you'll unlock the secrets to making stunning videos effortlessly. Let's dive in. First up, accessing the plugin. Simply type your video idea into ChatGPT, and like magic, your concept starts taking shape. But here's where the real magic happens: customization. With ChatGPT, you can specify the tone, style, and even the audience for your video. Want a peppy tutorial or a serene storytelling session? Just say the word. Next, the script. It's not just about what you say, it's how you say it. ChatGPT helps you craft engaging scripts that keep your audience hooked from start to finish. And voila! In moments, Invideo turns your vision into reality, with voiceovers, music, and visuals all tailored to your script. Remember, every great video starts with a great idea. With the Invideo plugin and ChatGPT, you're never short on either. So, what will you create today? Dive in and let your creativity soar with Invideo and ChatGPT.